My name is Hassan.
We are from South Virginia Jamaat
We support humanity first.
because it helps needy people and makes them happy.
We are making a humanity first garden.
And all these flowers are Humanity First projects.
As plants need water, that plants can bloom from them.
Humanity First has so many projects that need our donation and fundraising because our donation brings fruit to these projects.
We are donating all our money.
From our little saving box to Humanity First.
Please donate to humanity first.
To help and support others.